Wheelersatlarge. We're out again. This is an afternoon ride. It's rained quite a lot this morning, so we've waited for it to stop and we're ventured out. We're both on the road bikes. I've got new bars. Now I've got to read what it says. It says Doyenne Aero. As you can see, Mike's on a different bike completely. But I'm sure he'll talk about that later. I've had my hair cut this morning.
You've got helmet hair now.
I was just going to say, I've got such a lot of less hair that there'll be no stopping me today.
Yes. You're super light. I cut your hair the other day.
Yeah, but...
Or does me cutting your hair not count?
No, it doesn't count. Definitely doesn't count. Oh, dear. Yeah, I let Mike loose with the clippers on the back of my hair because I had so much hair I didn't know what to do with it all. He didn't do a bad job actually.
Train! So I replaced our old weighing scale, which was just a suitcase, you know, scale. Got a digital one. Don't know if it's any more accurate or not. But Julie's Merida, pedals, nosh bag, everything except a water bottle comes in at 9.6. We did add a little bit of weight with those new bars because I was surprised how much heavier they were than the giant ones that came off. But anyway, I mean, I say how much heavier, I mean it was only 60 grams, but for, you know, two items that are the same width using the same material, yeah, I suppose there's a bit extra in the flat tops on the aero bars.
I know exactly how long the bike is and where my toes are in comparison to the front wheel and stuff. But with this bike, I've got to learn. So Mike, is my Liv the same size as this bike or is it bigger?
No, it's the same size, but it's got a longer wheelbase.
Okay, so the wheels are further apart.
Yeah, it's a bit more stable.
Okay.
A bit more built for rough ground. Yes, so.
Do carry on.
That one is a bit faster steering, a bit more, I suppose unstable is the truth of it, but that does mean it's more manoeuvrable.
So, I'm in a pink top with a black jersey with pink bits on it, and of course the Wheelersatlarge logo on the back in silver. Not sure any of that matches my green bike. I've been doing some Amazon shopping, haven't actually bought anything, but I put quite a few things in my wish list which the rest of my family can see, so you never know, I might be lucky. There you go, go faster bear. Thank you. Do you see that? He admired my bike. Oh no, I'm going to get a wet bum. There you go, I just slowed down. Maybe I didn't. There.
Stop fiddling with yourself. Yeah, but you don't want it all over your hand. It's been pretty wet today, it has to be said. The sun's come out and it looks sort of dry, but awful lot of rain today. So, good news. I found a Sora mech for Julie's bike. That's now fitted. Means I can have the Olivio one back. And I found a Sora crankset, which is on its way. And that's double good news, because that means that one can go back on my gravel bike.
You've got too many bikes.
No, I've got too many bikes and not enough bits. Yeah, so once the crankset's on there, that'll be that one complete. My other bike can go back together, and then I can donate that to Ellen, our daughter, because I've just bought this one from her. So back in the summer of 2019, Ellen bought this bike, the RC500. We were going to have family evenings of pizza rides and goodness knows what, and of course we all know what happened next. So it's kind of not been used. It's too good to not be used, so yeah, I'll give her some money. We'll put another bike together for her out of the ones we've got, and I shall use this one as a road bike when Julie's out on her road bike. I still think the Giant will be the main bike, but yeah, I've customized it today, made it my own, sorted out the cables. They're always way too long. I guess it's easy for construction, but yeah, put the DT Swiss wheels on. Yeah, it's mine now.
So yeah, I've got the bear at the front. He's got a little seat belt across him, holding him in. He's looking where he's going now. There you go, David, you're happier? Happier with that arrangement? But that's very comfortable. It's got a little indent by your handle, just there, which is quite comfortable. Sits quite nicely in my hand. I haven't tried the... Oh, flares are a bit tight. They're not flared, that's what I mean. On the road bike, that's quite okay. Just down a bit lower. Another couple of gears. That's nice and easy from there as well.
Car up. Car back.
We're just coming into Ringwood now, and we haven't really discussed which way we're going to go. Yeehaw!
These were all tuned up and clean this morning.
They're for using.
They are for using. They are tools, not jewels.
No, that's my nails. My nails are jewels, not tools.
Are they aero though?
Of course.
Well, we're cracking on actually, which is a little bit silly because we've possibly got a gravel ride in the morning. So we should probably take it a little bit easier. But there we go. It's been raining all day, so it was just a good opportunity to get out.
Look.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the important bit, yeah. And then.
There you go.
Yeah, so it's going well actually. Feels good. I don't think it's any quicker than the Giant, I'll be honest, because I'm looking down at the speed and I'm still only seeing 16 to 18 miles an hour. But
oh, get out of here! You were doing 23 going down Christchurch Road from.
Okay, so yeah, okay, sometimes, but anyway. And Julie's bike is almost complete now. So
What new bits have I
Sora
had?
everything.
What new bits have I had?
You've got the derailleur, which is now Sora, and the last thing is the chain set. And once the chain set's fitted, I can have that one back and put it back on my gravel bike.
So will
That'll be nice, because then all the bikes will be back together again.
I went through there at 28. Not going to set the camera off for that. Well, this bike doesn't want to go along the gravel, that's for sure.
Don't like these road bars. They really dig into my wrists. Not enough clearance. Yeah, not much clearance here at all. Even if I stick them up the front and drop right down, yeah, it's really tight. If I'm on the ends, not so bad. But of course I'm nowhere near the controls then. Anyway, I shall give it some thought. Had to sort out the cables this morning. They were just too long, too flappy.
You have flappy cables.
I did. I don't like flappy cables.
You've got a drippy hat.
I'm a lot happier now. Right, straight ahead. Next left.
It started to rain. That's not allowed. No waterproofs. Just skin. Car back. Feels like it's into the wind.
It is certainly that.
Listen to the birds singing.
Yeah.
That was cue for them to stop, wasn't it?
This is like a proper road double, compact, whatever you want to call it, 50-34. Of course, on the Giant, I've got a 46 sort of gravel adventure gearing, whatever you want to call it, and I can sort of get away with just crashing up and down the gears in the big ring, only using the little ring when I really need it. Yeah, I can't do that on this one. I'm actually having to use the smaller ring in the middle of the cassette as well. So a bit getting used to this road thing. Of course, this is where a 50-tooth chainring sort of comes into its own. It's a bit wet for any heroics today, I think.
Nice little fast downhill there. Very nice.
So, climb up to Coal Hill, fast downhill to Wimborne, and then back through Kinston.
Stop for a half a cider at the barley mow.
What are road cassettes? I only have a 28. Ridiculous. It's actually my own fault because, of course, the Giant is 10-speed. So 1128 was the only 9-speed cassette I had. So that's the one I've had to go with. Anyway. Yeah, I think an 1132 might be nice. at least 32.
Oh, we're going down the steep one.
I put new brake pads in this morning, and to say they feel like granite is probably an understatement, but they're getting better as we go along. So hopefully this hill will help to get them bed in a little bit.
Oh, it's looking clear. Yeah, look at that. Especially for us. It's clear if you want to get on the road. It's clear.
Yeah.
Oh dear, I'm out.
That's been good fun, that. And yeah, I keep thinking, oh, actually this bike does want to go, but then of course so does the Giant when I've got these wheels and tyres on. Of course I mostly ride the Giant with 38, slightly soft, lower pressures, and of course it does feel soggy. But yeah, with the slicks on and these wheels, much lighter, more responsive. I think Julie's going for Palmer Violet power, or is it refreshers today? I'm not sure. Yeah, of course. In fact, I haven't had any.
I drank a lot of mine.
Ah.
Smell food.
Yes, we're coming into Takeaway City. Smell it already. I'll tell you what, I wish it was smell-o-vision. Oh, you'd be loving it right now.
Hey Mike.
Yeah.
I got wind behind.
Yeah. 400 yards.
Yeah.
Just Leybourne Hill to go. And that's the end of any kind of hills, as it were. In fact, there's been next to none. We've done 31.5 miles and only 600 feet of climbing, so yeah, we've not exactly exerted ourselves today. But the brakes are starting to feel a lot better. I've got a set of the Spyre, the TRP Spyre Cs, which is nice because that means all of the bikes use the same brake pads. So it made sense to put them on here. And yeah, they're bedding in quite nicely now.
I did well up till then.
Yeah.
I just died. Trying hard to catch Mike so I can tuck in. Nope, he's gone. KFC, look at that.
That's a sign, isn't it?
Smell the food.
Yeah, see that.
Smell the food. Oh yeah, look, number plate.
Is that not a sign?
No.
That's right, I can make it at home.
Yeah, good. I'll have a chicken salad, please.
You alright?
You're not even out of breath.
Well, okay.
Well, if you've watched this far into the video, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.
Still in one piece.
Yeah.
And not covered in cow muck. Oh, I don't think so anyway. I wouldn't give him a kiss though.